The Complete Guide to Mobile App Development in 2023. Key steps to building successful apps for businesses. Number 1. Identify your target audience. Number 2. Define your app's purpose. Number 3. Choose the right platform. Number 4. Create a user-friendly design. Number 5. Focus on functionality. Number 6. Offer personalized experiences. Number 7. Integrate with third-party services. Number 8. Ensure app security. Number 9. Test and iterate. Number 10. Market and promote your app. With the right strategy, your app can become a valuable asset for your business and help you achieve your goals.